What's up? Today we have one of my inventions. It's called a rear saw guide. And what this rear saw guide does is it helps to maintain the saw blade and the saw straight on the wood, and also helps to stop pinch the blade. Now you can see it right here. It lines up directly with the blade there, so as you're cutting through the wood, it keeps the saw pressed against your straight cut and helps to make a straighter cut. And again, also it helps to keep the wood from pinching the blade there. So it's kind of what it looks like. And this thing is adjustable, so you can push it up or down. If you don't need the saw guide, you can just raise it right up and it's out of your way. So let's get set up and I'll show you how it works. So basically we got a straight line on here. The rear saw guide is down. I'll show you how it works. So as you can see, the saw can't slide side to side because of the guides in there. And actually by pushing on that side helps it cut a nice straighter line. So that's it. That's the rear saw guide. Basically it helps you make straighter cuts, stops the wood from pinching on your saw blade as you're cutting along. So that's it. Thanks. See ya. Bye.